Hi, I'm from Indiflux Academy, Sector 85 Gurgaon. I want to know how was your exam?
I mean the exam itself was actually really bad. The physics paper has been getting progressively harder over the last 2 years already, and this year they somehow managed to ramp it up even more for no reason at all. Overall, I think I was overstudied for this exam already, and I don't think I've done very well myself for my own expectations. So yeah, I don't think the exam was very great.
Okay, and yours?
Same over here. I mean, yeah, I studied a lot because it's physics and same as you said, the pattern it was getting increasingly harder. So I am getting the marks a little lesser than what I expected, but I would say the paper, like we expected it would be more competency, but then there were like a little bit more such basic questions. मैं basic questions की तैयारी नहीं करके गया, competency की इतने करके गया, competency correct हो गया and basic questions ही correct हो गया.
Okay, and does your PYQs and your own preparation helps?
Yeah, PYQs help, but I don't think the book itself is right now very adept for a lot of students. I think a lot of people will have the same feedback that the book itself is not really helping as much because the amount of application-based questions there are, it's not really covered by the book as of now.
Okay, and any strategy you guys had followed you want to share to your fellow mates?
Just do all the PYQs, like literally all of them. There's nothing else you can do. I think going 10 years back is probably a good idea because the amount of questions that repeat, you can get, I think 60 marks guaranteed from that point only, and then work up.
Okay.
Yeah, so same over here. I think reading, once you've read the chapter once, I think that's more than enough for reading. Then just focus on doing questions because the more you do questions, the more you understand what type of answers you have to give. If you just read from the book, you just know कि ये लिखा है, ये लिखा है. But in physics is more कि क्या apply करो अपना दिमाग. तो if you do more questions, तो it's better. जैसे इस paper में there were like 7 to 8 questions which came in the past 3 papers. So I thought if you do previous year questions and manage your time, then that's better.
Okay, and what's next plan?
Chemistry, what else?
Okay.
Papers
Okay.
in like 1.5 days only, so
Okay.
paper to dena hi hoga.
Thank you so much guys for your time, and you guys